To make muumuus, also known as Tibetan dumplings or momos, start by preparing the ingredients. You will need all-purpose flour, water, and a variety of fillings such as ground meat or vegetables. First, combine 2 cups of flour and a pinch of salt in a large mixing bowl. Gradually add water to the flour mixture and knead until a smooth dough forms. Cover the dough with a damp cloth and let it rest for 30 minutes. Next, prepare your chosen filling. For a traditional Tibetan filling, combine ground meat with onions, garlic, ginger, and spices. Mix the ingredients well and set aside. Now, divide the rested dough into small balls, about the size of a small egg. Roll out each ball into a thin circle, about 1/8 inch thick. Place a tablespoon of the filling in the center of the dough circle. To shape the momo, fold the dough over the filling to form a half-moon shape, and press the edges together to seal the momo. Repeat this process with the remaining dough and filling. Once all the momos are shaped, you can cook them by steaming or pan-frying. To steam the momos, place them in a steamer basket and steam over boiling water for 10 to 15 minutes. To pan-fry the momos, heat a couple of tablespoons of oil in a pan over medium heat and cook the momos until they are golden brown on the bottom. Serve the momos hot with a dipping sauce of your choice. Traditional Tibetan dipping sauces include a mixture of soy sauce, chili oil, and vinegar. By following these steps, you can make delicious and authentic Tibetan momos at home. Remember, to practice makes perfect. So do not be discouraged if your first batch of momos does not turn out perfectly. With time and practice, you will become a skilled momo maker.